I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Photos app and choosing the images you want to edit. Pick one or several so you can work efficiently. Once selected, tap Edit to access tools like crop, exposure, and filters. Make sure to work non-destructively by duplicating an image or using Revert to Original if you need to undo. This first step gets you directly into the controls you'll use most, so do not linger. Begin adjusting crop and framing immediately to set the foundation. Now refine exposure and color because that's where photos gain clarity and mood. Start with exposure and contrast to set the overall brightness, then pull down highlights and lift shadows to recover detail. Once done, tweak temperature and tint to remove color cast and make skin tones natural. If your app has selective tools, use them to brighten faces or darken skies. This keeps edits targeted. Make subtle moves. Extreme sliders create unnatural results, so check before proceeding. Finish by cropping to tighten composition and applying small amounts of sharpening and noise reduction to preserve detail. Once you're satisfied, hit Done to save edits. Make sure to compare before and after so you can judge subtle changes. If something looks off, revert to the original or use the History/Versions feature to step back. A key troubleshooting tip: if colors shift after export, check color profile and export settings. Switching to sRGB usually fixes unexpected color changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.